Welcome back, guys. Where we left off, we died 2 trillion times trying to escape the water. So now we made the water all clear, and Ori can swim. She's adorable. She's adorable, dude. I don't even know where I'm supposed to be going. I honestly don't know where I'm supposed to be going. Let's see. Definitely not supposed to be going here. How the hell am I gonna get over there? That's crazy. I'm just happy to swim. Let's go! Oh, maybe I do. I have to get under there. Okay. That's what I'm looking for. Time to swim. Ow. Rude. There's one key piece. Ow. Rude. Ow. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the? That's annoying. Can I not, like, jump off these? I'm guessing that's enough. Fuck it. There's a map piece, though. Take that. Come on, hit him. Yeah, fuck him up. Give me that. Thank you. Oh. Good job, Aaron. Good job. Wait, no, I need to breathe, Okay. Oh, I need that map piece again. Oh my god. Don't die, please. No! No! Oh my god. Straight dash, straight dash, straight dash. Come on, you got this. Yeah. Okay. You got this. Make it back, make it back, make it back. Come on, fuck you. Why am I waiting for you? I don't need to kill you. You're just annoying. Fuck that. Save right there. Ouch. Be an asshole. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh, yeah, saw that coming. Go, 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 little Ori, go! Good job. Ow. Don't touch the sharp thing. Alright. Ori's adorable. Let me in. Why, thank you. Okay. Guess I'm swimming. But I can't. Okay, so this is the plan. Oh shit, I missed. Maybe I should save. That'd be a good thing to do. Ha! Yeah, bitch. Thank you. Where the fuck am I going now? Oh, another tree. Kill him. The most powerful ever seen. Now he rests. You better give me something cool. Better give me like laser beams. Better get some motherfucking laser beams up in this bitch. You learn Stomp. To use this ability, press space to leap into the air, then S to dive. Oh, okay. Space. Fuck y'all. That's all I can see. Oh, that came down faster than I expected it to. Thank you. Hey, can I get up here? Sir? Kind. Hey. Hey, I know we had our troubles, but can you like come? Oh no, okay, that's cool. Can't break through that, I guess. I'm trying. Oh, I gotta stomp this. Yeah. Oh god. Not you again. Break it. Break it. Come on, you do it, boy. Oh, just killed myself. Oh, wait. Yeah, fuck it up. Oh yeah. Yeah, let's save here because some bullshit's gonna happen. Oh, I'm supposed to kill it? That's it? Oh, that was easy. I have an ability. Allows the spirit flame to do damage. Oh, 2 targets at 1 health. The fuck yes. Oh, wait. GG. Oh, GG again. Alright, let's get back up there, shall we? Alright, what now? Actually, do we have to go back? Because there's nothing really left. I guess we just go back. We got what we came for. Yeah, we just go back. Fuck you. Hey yo. Can't break through that. That's like, oh no, can't break through that. Oh, okay, seems legit. Let's just go a long way. Keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming. Okay, how we do this? There we go. Now what? Now what? Do you go back? Ouch. Not like that though. Maybe that, oh, that air is probably clear now. Okay, I understand. I see. Hopefully I'm right. I don't know. Hey, motherfucker, you wanna fight again? We're gonna do this again around fucking 2, dude. I'm having, bro. I ain't fucking around. Bitch. Hey, yo! Oh, I was right, but I took damage in the process. I know I'm gonna die. I just had a punch. Break stuff. Oh, I remember this. I wish he would have shot a little sooner, you know? That'd have been nice. Ow, what the fuck? Hey buddy, you wanna shoot? What? Oh my god. These animals are starting to really hurt. You assholes. Get wrecked. I took damage. Are you joking me? Fuck you. Wait, do I have to go this way? No, go down, go down. Because I'm not doing that laser bullshit again. Okay, let's not do that. Let's not die. Let's not die. Dying is not fun. Okay. Let's just do this again, shall we? No, no, Biggie. Yeah, fuck you. I don't need to do anything. Fuck you. Not dealing with your bullshit. Not dealing with your bullshit. I had to deal with your bullshit. Oh, okay. I died. Oh no, I didn't. He died. There's another one. There's another one. How did I get there before? Oh my god, I'm confused. Shit's just syphilis all over. Get out of my face. Destroy you. Destroy you. Destroy you. Destroy you. Thank you. Now fucking drop. 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 Alright, drop. Is there another one? I don't want to be squashed again. I swear to God. Fuck it, I'm saving. Okay. I would have been so salty if that dropped on me. Actually, I need that to drop. No, 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 no! Yeah, bitch. Fuck you mean. Drop! Hey, give me more help. Okay, I didn't even see you. That's cool. Oh, what do I do here? Die. Die. Okay, never mind. You're fine. You don't have to die. Oh, okay, let's save. Hey, this is where isn't this where I passed out? I feel like it is. And like, yeah, this is where I knew it. I passed out at the beginning of the game. Where am I? Where am I going? I haven't even explored this shit. Maybe I'm supposed to be going up here. This is legit. Maybe I went the wrong way. Maybe I was supposed to... hold up. Was I supposed to get up here somehow? How did I end up here? Oh, I think I was supposed to go this way. I was supposed to go this way, bro. Oh, I'm dead. What the hell is that thing? Just spinning down slowly. Okay, I'll also go down there. Oh, he's trying to hide shit from me. Gucci, we Gucci. Alright. I have to get up there somehow. No, that's not how. That's definitely not how. That's definitely not how. Oh, that's not how either. Bitch. There has to be a way to get up there. It's just there's a way right there. Oh no. Fuck you. Oh, it's that destructible path. Oh. Now where do we go? We have to get all the way over here, dude. What the fuck? It's such a long way. If we go through here, guess we have to go through there. I don't know. Risk it for the biscuit. Wait, did I get this since I died? Yeah, okay. That's gone. Thank you. Give me that shit. I think this is a dead end. Yeah, that's a dead end. I know that. Where to now, boys? Getting hit by enemies. Okay, now let's go. I never went up. Let's go up. Or just keep going straight. Either one will do. Oh, asshole. Alright. Oh, what the? There's a thing over here. Energy gate or Silk Spirit? Oh, what are you? Calm down, come on, go, okay. God damn, so feisty. Ass hat. Hold on real quick. Sorry for that. Oh my god, just go back to the game here. Don't die, don't you die on me. What? Is that shit still on? Good thing I saved. What is that? I almost died. Get the fuck out of my face. Please. I died. I'm fucking dead. Ugh. Push that off. Go down with it. Where am I? I've been here. What? What am I doing? Oops, don't do that. Am I doing all this just for that? I think so. What the hell? There we go. Now let's jump down like 10 times. Just do it, jump around, do its thing. Where'd it go from here, boys? I don't know. Oh shit. Oh, right there. Yeah, we know where to go. Hopefully that's right. Hey, what's up, Pops? Just, you know, doing my thing. Yeah, found it. Right? Yes. Oh god. Lucky birds. Yeah, give me that. These birds are deadly, dude. Fuck out of here. You know what I'm messing with. Wait, I don't even think I need to go down there right now. I do and I don't. Ow. Okay. What? Come on. Come on. I'm about to just swim down there. Fuck this. Swimming's better for you anyways. More exercise. Oh shit, just keep on, because I need fucking oxygen. Whoo, that was close. what does this lever do? Shift drag, yeah. Dude, that thing drops fast, like. Oh, fucked up. Got it. I ain't doing that again. So let's save. Was that night? I wasn't even supposed to even go this way. That was just for that. Oh my god, I hate that. Don't you die on me. Let's go up here. Let's go up here. Let's go up here. Let's go up here. Cake. That's how we do it, boys! Oh god. Ow. I'll get that again. That thing takes so much damage. God damn. Stop jumping on it. Yeah, I'm dead. Oh my god, I gotta get this again. You're gay. Hold on. He wants me to play Rainbow with him. Okay, let's not die. Come on. Squash. Okay, now we go through. No, we wait. Now we go through. Now we get. Oh shit! I need to go faster. I'm dead. Okay, how about we just somehow speed this process up? Oh shit! I'm not used to it that way. I should have saved when I was up there. Wait, what the fuck am I doing? Don't die. Don't you die. Breathe. Wait, breathe again. Now go. Let's squash. Go. Yeah, boys. That's how we do it. Now we save. Because we badasses. Oh shit. Don't hit me. Don't you fucking hit me. Alright. This part, oh god. Fuck me! That part's fucking hard. Yeah, you can't do anything from up here. Except for get that energy card, which I don't need. I need health. That's what I need. But that's not what the game's giving me. Fuck, you see? I always mess up that fucking jump. Fuck, dude. Let's see, I have stuff to upgrade. Most pickles. Crit death, that's what I need. That's what I need. It's definitely what I need. There we go. Why was that? I fucking die. God damn. Nope. Fuck you. don't know how I hit you, but I want to hit you again. Yeah, get fucked. Yeah. Fuck, dickaroo. Ow. What? I hate that. Okay, let's not hit the corner. Let's go to the Misty Woods. Yes, sir. What is it showing me? Looms up ahead. Won't allow us to pass. Let us not travel further. Let's unleash. Well, that's it for this episode, guys. You know what to do. If you liked the video, subscribe. If you liked the video, also leave a like. You know, help me out. And I want you guys to have a nice day. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.